welcome. Get in here, get in here, get in here, get in here, because today is gonna be a video about getting your hair done in Japan. So if you are trying to get your hair done, then stick around to this video. Nobody asked, but I got my hair done last week. Yes, it's been a week since your girl got her hair done. I went all the way to Saitama to get my hair done. You might say, why not Yokohama? Why Saitama? Why not Tokyo? Why not Chiba? Which brings me to my next point. So I joined some of the community groups that are here. Black in Japan, Black Creatives Japan, Jamaican Experts and Friends in Japan. Shout out to that group, y'all. Yeah. Jamaicans in Japan Association Group, Africa in Japan, Brothers and Sisters in Japan. Shout out to y'all. 10, which is Tokyo Expats and Friends in Japan. Also, Black Women in Japan. So I've been in these groups, and I'm telling you, like, sometimes people are posting information about what they do, and most of these people are like certified to actually do hair, which is quite amazing. If you are in Japan and you haven't already joined some of these groups, now's the time to join them, because you can make friends and you can have a space where you can chit chat about anything and you can get a lot of information. And if you are not in Japan but you're coming soon to Japan, you need some information about life in Japan or how to settle down or settle into Japan, then yeah, join some of these community groups. This is actually where I found the stylists that I wanted to go to and get my hair slayed. I created a list of stylists like some years ago, since I've been in Japan for quite a while, and I have been updating that for a while now. I updated it in 2021, but you know, people come and they go, and today I actually made an updated list for hairstylists and barbers, not leaving out the men at all, because they too need to be nicely groomed and looking all fresh and fly, you know what I mean? Yes. So I'm gonna go through the list so that you guys can have an idea of where you can go to get your hair done, to get your hair braided, or get some locks, or get sister locks, sew-ins, crochet styles, if you want to get some hair installed, if you want to get some wigs or something, so that you guys will save a little bit of time when you go online trying to search for people to do your hair. So yeah, number one on the list is LeCheveux, and LeCheveux is located in Saitama, Japan, and that's where I went and got my hair done. Yes, I have to talk a little bit about this experience because it was quite an experience for me. I'm the kind of person who dreads getting my hair done. Like, I am so impatient. I do not want to sit and get my hair done. I don't even like when someone is pulling on my hair. Like, my mom used to do that all the time, and like, you know what I mean. Her techniques was like out of this world because I didn't feel any kind of pull. There was no pain at all. It was so painless that I was enjoying myself. When she was totally finished, I was like super pumped, hyped, excited. Like, it was such an amazing experience. Her page is on Instagram. You can browse her Instagram page so that you can see some of the amazing styles that she did. For my hair, we actually went with a knotless braided style. These are medium sized. It didn't take a long time, to be honest. I went there pretty early and I got home like really good timing. Shout out to her. LeCheveux, big up yourself. Thank you for the slayments because my hair looked good. So may I say, namalalai. Yeah, that was a little intermission there because she's Jamaican. I had to speak a little patois in this video. I was saying like, thank you so much for slaying my hair. My hair is saying, yes, girl, summer is here. I'm getting that real summer vibes from this style that I'm rocking. It's only been a week and I hadn't put anything on my edges until this morning because I wanted to just lay my edges down a little bit. It is very long. It's actually like waist length, really neat, and I actually love this. It is just hands down one of the best experience. I love my hairstyle because this is so versatile. You can just style it in so many different ways. I'm just loving it, and that's the reason why I opted for this particular braided style, because I want it to be so versatile that when I'm ready I can put it up in a ponytail, I can put it in buns, I can do whatever I want, I can leave it up, I can put it down, I can curl it, I can do so many things with this. So this was amazing. Thank you again, LeCheveux. Guys, please check her out and support her sister because she is just giving me life with this hairstyle. Yes. Next on the list is the Braid Babe Studio and Barber. I realized that they added a barber to it, and that was kind of like really cool. Like probably they've always had it, but because they're so far away from me, like I didn't really pay much attention. But yeah, the Braid Babe Studio is also available for doing your hair if you want cornrows, if you want twists, if you want to just groom your hair, get your hair done by a stylist or a barber, then yeah, you can check them out. They have a really cool website. The website looks super amazing. Everything you need to know is on the website, where you can make appointments, their opening hours, where they're located. So you can just go over to their website and book your appointment. Next is HILDA. HILDA is located in Tokyo. So if you're in Tokyo or Yokohama, it's pretty easy to get your hair done, pretty easy to access her. She also has like a really dope Facebook page and an Instagram page, and also a YouTube video where she shows how she does the style. She just creates some amazing style. She is known for slaying hair every day, all day. I was gonna travel all over Europe, so 2.5 years ago I went to HILDA and she hooked me up. She hooked her sister up with some plaits at the back and some cornrows at the front. Like when I got to Paris, my hair was like amazing. When I got to Barcelona, they were like buenos dias, and I was like, hey. So you can get your hair done by HILDA. I can definitely say HILDA will hook you up because I've actually tested and tried her service. It was amazing. 10 out of 10 for that one as well. And now we're on to the next. Now we're heading over to MISAWA. They have some locticians over there. I'm telling you, if you are wearing locks and you want to get your locks retwisted, you want to tighten them, you want to like maintain them, you want to start the journey, Lock the Journey has everything you need. They're on Facebook. They have a really detailed page about how you can make your appointments. Check them out and be sure to leave your comment down in the comment section below because I want to know how your experience went, because I think these stylists will actually give you a really good hookup. And now we're gonna go to Kansai Hair Braiding. If you are in the Kansai area, check them out. I'm sure they are ready to get your hair slayed and getting you all looking beautiful for whatever style you want to choose. So yeah, we have a ton of braiders out there just ready and waiting to slay your hair. If you want to get some hair extension services, you can actually check with Blossom. Like, she's the next on the list. I'm just gonna leave the link to her page down in the description like all the others, so that you guys can get your hair slayed. Hair extensions, you know, sometimes you don't want to have like braids. Yes, you can go and get your hair extensions done. Versatile, right? Yes. Next we have Amelia Bridge, Japan. She's located in Matsudo. She actually has some dope work on her page, so be sure to check out the styles. Be sure to message her with the style that you would like, and also try out her services. So yeah, if you're in Matsudo, there is a stylist in Matsudo waiting for you. All you gotta do is just click on the link in the description and you can find her easily. So you can message her and tell her your style, and then you can just get your hair all slayed for summer or for winter, whenever it is that you want your hair to be done. So yeah, don't forget to check out Amelia Bridge, Japan, over there in Matsudo. Like I said, I get this information from some of the groups, y'all, and I was in one of the groups and I saw Saskia Moseley. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. She's also a stylist, a remote stylist, so wherever you are, if you even want your hair to be done in the park, she can do that. You don't have to be worried about the location and the time. All you gotta do is just jump over to her page and message her. Her location says she is like Yokohama, Central Tokyo area, but I'm sure she will be able to travel because she is a remote hairstylist. So yeah, don't forget to check her out if you actually want to get your hair done. The next one I want to talk about is Adjust Your Crown Hair Care. And I was kind of like blown away because I went on their site and I saw that they actually made hair products. So if you are looking for a homemade line, yes, if you want to get a line of products that is homemade, you can just jump over to their page, check out all the dope lines that they have, and get something for your hair, for your baby's hair, get something for all your hair care needs. So that was dope, and I was really super happy that I actually saw that information. So I just jotted down on my list really quickly because here in Japan is really super hard to actually get some hair products that are like for our hair. So it's like, yeah, when I saw that, I was blown away, very impressed. Check them out and make sure you purchase some of their natural hair care products, because I'm sure that they're using some all natural ingredients that are really good and make your hair look juicy and nice and just amazing. So I saw this person's name in Black in Japan. Her name is Evette Walker and she is located in Iwakuni. Iwakuni is one of the places that is dear to my heart because that's where my homegirl and her husband stayed for some time when they were in Japan. I had the opportunity to actually visit. It was such a great place and I'm like, oh my god, there's a stylist all the way down in Iwakuni. So if I ever go back down there, I'd be sure to check her out. And if you are going down there, then yeah, don't forget that there is Evette Walker down there and she's also doing braids, so you can check her out as well. On to the next thing, Divine Hair Studio. Divine Hair Studio Japan is on Instagram. Check them out. You can see that she updates the page regularly like all the other braiders. So if you are trying to see whenever they're available, whenever they're taking a break, Divine Hair Studio is another braider that y'all need to just check out. Next is Angel Beauty World. They have a ton of hair products for all your hair care needs. Trying to get your hair done, trying to get information on where they're located, I'm gonna leave their link in the description down below so that you guys can just click on that. No hassle, and you can just jump right to their page. Alright, so next are just a few that I'm just gonna run through really quickly. You have Whitney over there in Fukuoka. Whitney is actually doing hair. I'm gonna leave her down in the description below. Next on the list, Esther's Hair Place. She's on Instagram. You can browse her page to see her work. Check it out. Make sure you message her and get the details of what kind of style you want, and I'm sure she'll be able to hook you up. Now I'm gonna mention 4 barbers that I've seen being mentioned in the groups. So if you are trying to get your hair groomed by a barber, you can check out Foreign Cuts. Foreign Cuts have applications where you can book your appointment, so that's easy and hassle-free. A very talented barber, Abdul, he can hook you up with whatever style you want. Check out his Instagram and his Facebook page. Book an appointment with him and he will hook you up. Next is Shop Brooklyn Tokyo. Everybody knows Shop Brooklyn Tokyo as well as they know Foreign Cuts. So yeah, if you want to check out another barber in Tokyo, you can go to Shop Brooklyn Tokyo. They have a really great page. You can just check them out for all the information that you would need when you want to book your appointments to get your hair groomed, trim, shave, whatever it is that you're trying to get done to your hair. If you're in Fussa, you can check out Dream Barber Shop. They also have a Facebook page. I'm going to link them down in the description below. You can just go and get your trim, shave, whatever it is. Yeah, get your hair looking all nice and groomed. The ladies love when the men look good as well. So yeah, we all want to see our brothers looking fly and super hot. So yeah, check them out if you're trying to get some grooming done. And the last one that I want to mention is in Kyoto. If you're in Kyoto, you can check out Frank's Chop Shop. He also has a page with lots of information, how to get to him and all the things that he specializes in. So you can also jump on his page and book your appointments and make sure you get your hair all groomed and all your hair care needs taken care of. So that is it for the Stylist at Your Fingertips list that I prepared for you guys, because I know it's been a hassle trying to get some hair products, trying to get your hair done. I'm going to be using my TPH Master Cleanse and Mid Condition to cleanse my scalp while I have this braided style going on for the summer. And I'm also going to be using the Argan Oil Extra Firm Hold Edge Control. Like, I didn't even know that they had an updated version. This is a new updated version. This probably was updated a long time ago, but I'm just late to the game. So yeah, shout out to LeCheveux once again for the opportunity. Thank you, girl. And yeah, don't forget to check out all these braiders. They are all very talented. These barbers are also all very talented, and they are just waiting to help you get your hair care needs taken care of. So I hope this video will help you guys, and if it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload like this. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See you. Bye. Today your girl is gonna get her hair done. My hair is all up in like 4 plaits right now. Like, I'm just so super excited. I can't wait to get to the stylist. Hey guys, so I'm getting my hair done. I'm in Saitama and I decided to get braids for the summer, and this beautiful Jamaican girl is doing my hair. Yes,